Hello my sugar plums, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, it's been quite a while since I put a last video up, but this is a quick sneak peek of what we're gonna be doing today. This video is gonna be super easy and super fast. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how you can customize and make your own pastel color pigment paste. And it's super easy, and all you're gonna be needing, guys, is literally just two products to do it. And today I'm gonna be doing a pink and a green one, and because you looking for that very beautiful pastel color, so I suggest that you use like some alcohol ink that is very nice and bright to do this. So basically I'm using alcohol ink in my pigment paste. You have to have a white pigment paste. It doesn't matter the brand, it doesn't need to be just resin. You can use any brand you want, but it have to be white. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what the color is gonna be looking like, because it's gonna be very beautiful and bright and pastel looking. That way you can customize and make whatever color you want. I actually did this video because I was doing a project and I needed to have some specific pastel colors, and for the life of me, guys, I could not find the right pigment paste to do it. So I'm like, you know what, let me just go ahead and try to customize my own and do it. And then I just did it that way and it turned out beautiful. So I'm like, you know what, let me just go ahead and film like a quick tutorial and show you guys, so you can make your own if you happen to have that problem as well. So all I'm doing is just take my white pigment paste, and I'm just adding a little bit into a cup, and then I mix it. Now if you're gonna be doing that have different colors, you don't need to add a lot of pigment paste. You just need a little bit just to have that textures. And then for this is like a 5-ounce cup of epoxy. I just went and add about 10 drops of each one of the pigment into it, because I wanted to have the pastel color, but I also wanted to the colors to be super bright and super beautiful. Guys, let me tell you, the result is so beautiful. And if you can't find the color that you want, this is one option for you to just go and do it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you, I have a little few trinket molds out. I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly make them, and then to show you the result. And what we're gonna be doing, on one side I'm gonna be doing the color pigment paste, the customized one that we made, and also on the other side we're going to be doing just the right one, that the white pigment paste that just store-bought out of the jar. And then we're going to go ahead and compare the two to see if there's any difference about the two. But trust me, guys, it came out exactly the same. You have the same effect that you'll have if you're using just regular pigment paste in the color one. And I absolutely love the finished result. So I wanted to share that with you guys. It's super easy to make and super easy. Sometimes you're doing a project and you can't find the right colors, or the client the color that the client asks, and then you're like so stressful about it. But if you have like the alcohol ink and the white pigment, you are good to go. And all I'm doing right now, I'm just showing you, I'm just pulling the pigment out, one side and the other one. And I also end up doing another one that have all three color mix on top of it, to see if I was gonna have the crackle effect, the bubble crackle effect that is so beautiful. And I'll let you see the result at the end, guys. Thank you so much again for being here. I am so sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but you know what, life gets in the way sometimes, and when you have kids, and it's a lot. So thank you so much again, guys, for being here. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family that might need that might find it helpful in any way. Also, if you want to support the channel, I have a new feature button on that on the bottom. If you'll see the button that says thanks. If you want to support the channel and help me buy material, you can just click on that button and help me any way that you want. I would really appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you so very much. Okay, guys, so all I'm doing right now, I'm going to put my one I made a pink and white, and the other one I made the very beautiful green and white. And then right now I'm just using my mix clear with gold leaf and a little bit of the unicorn crystal, putting that on top, and I'm using a toothpaste to just kind of run it on the side to dislodge any bubbles that might, you know, stuck there. And I'm just gonna quickly do a quick swirl, guys, and I'm not gonna do anything else to it. I'm not even gonna be using heat gun or anything. I'm just gonna let it be. Now I had a little bit more epoxy left, but not enough to fill up my feather mold, so I'm just gonna be using just a regular round trinket tray that is smaller than the feather one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix all three colors. And I apologize because I did not realize that I was out of frame. I'm just gonna move it back in a moment to show you. And basically all I did, I put the pink in one side, the green on one side, and then I put the white on top of it, and then I swirl more pink and more white and more green, and then quickly do like some swirl again. I went in with a toothpaste, you know, run it down the side to remove any bubbles that is hiding there, and then that's it. I just let it cure overnight, and the next morning I'm gonna you know, unmold them, and I'm gonna be showing you the result, guys. And I was extremely happy to see the effect and the colors. The colors are beautiful pastel colors, but super bright and very beautiful, guys. It's a super easy, you know, customization that you can do to your ink to get any color that you want. And you know, if you want the pastel color to be a bit more darker, you can add more alcohol ink, or you can add less alcohol ink. It just depends on what color you're looking for. And if you guys are interested to see if we can do the same thing using acrylic paint or mica powder to see if the result gonna be the same, because if you don't have alcohol ink, you might try to use it. I haven't done it yet, but if you're interested to know if you're gonna be having the same result, let me know, and I'll just go ahead and make a quick video testing, you know, all different products that you can add in your pigment paste to see if you're gonna still have the same result. So this is it, guys. As you can see, how beautiful are those colors. Those colors are so bright and so vibrant and beautiful. And again, you have the same beautiful feathery effect that the pigment paste gave you when you add it to the epoxy. That is because the pigment paste is heavier than, you know, mica powder or alcohol ink, and it gives you those beautiful effect. I am so pleased with the result. And as you can see from the white part and the pink part, or the white and green part, there is no difference between it. Basically, the reason that I chose to put alcohol ink instead of the other one is because alcohol ink is very light. It doesn't, you know, it mix well with other products, and it's not gonna mostly change the consistency of the whatever else you're mixing it with. Now this is the one that I wanted to see if I'm gonna have any crackle effect on it, and I did all three colors together, and it turned out to be my absolutely favorite out of the two, guys. The effect that you have with it when you layer all the color on top of each other, breathtaking. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. This is a very easy video to make in a quick video. I promise you that I'll try to put more video up sooner and, you know, closer to each other, but you know, I was extremely busy and life gets in the way sometimes. But that's it, guys. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your friends and family. And don't forget, guys, if you want to support the channel, I have the new feature down there that says think. It's a heart button. All you have to do is click on it and help me and help the channel. So that's all for today, guys. I have many other videos on my channel. Don't forget to go ahead and check them out, and let me know in the comment if you want me to go ahead and try to use the acrylic paint and also mica powder with the pigment paste to see if we're gonna have a different effect. Until then, guys, I'll see you next week for another video, but you know the drill. Be blessed and stay blessed. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.